for today's video, I want to share with you some fall clothing inspiration by sharing with you what I chose to rent from Nuuly this month. And everything that I chose from this month's rental is all revolving around my fall capsule that you will be seeing this coming Friday. If you are a new viewer here and you enjoy fashion, styling, unboxing videos, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss an upload. I share new videos with you every Monday and Friday. So I've been trying out this rental service called Nuuly, and so far I have been loving it. It's definitely for those of us who have a very adventurous taste in style, but there's still a lot of staple pieces like fall coats. I love their vintage pieces that they come up with. Nuuly is a month-to-month subscription where you can rent 6 pieces of clothing for a fee from brands like Anthropologie, Free People. I've been really enjoying For Love and Lemons and Love Shack Fancy. There's a lot more designer brands and they keep on expanding brands and always adding in new clothes. So it's a really fun experience, especially if you have an adventurous, romantic style and even just like trendy and boho style, you would really like this. So there's free shipping and returns on all your orders, and you can actually purchase an item at a discounted price if you end up falling in love with it while you're renting it. As I show you the pieces, I'm going to share with you the retail price and then the discount price that you can purchase through Nuuly. The fee to rent your 6 pieces is $88, but I do have a referral link down in my description box that will get you a discount for your first month if you are interested in trying it out. And I actually added on 2 extra items into my bag this month just because everything is revolving around my fall capsule and I wanted to have as many items to inspire you as possible. I am ready to start sharing with you some fall clothing ideas. And like I said, shipping is free and they have a label in here that you'll just stick in this little flap when you're ready to return your rental pieces. So in this little card, you'll have your shipping label to return everything. This is a shawl. It's from Love Shack Fancy, but I did get the medium large. I definitely could have gotten away with a small, but it has embroidery all around, and this would be so cute for right now just because it's like a little bit warm to throw on like a heavy coat. So I thought it would be fun to have something like this. This was just too cute to pass up for the fall. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you a quick outfit idea using this. You can actually bring this into either a very casual outfit or a very fancy one. Like I could wear this with a satin dress. It is very wearable and I really like that. And I definitely think that it brings just some coziness to an outfit on like a chilly autumn day. This next piece is a very detailed embroidered blouse, and I thought that this would be really nice to wear underneath like denim overalls. I got the size large because all the reviews on there were saying that you needed to size up. I loved this collar. It fit right into my romantic style. There is elastic in the sleeves as well, and there's definitely a lot that you can do with something like this. So for this blouse, I did need to have help putting this on because you have to get the back completely buttoned up. I actually made the mistake of putting the buttons in the front, but they do go in the back. And I'm actually glad that I stuck to a large because it's a really nice, comfortable fit. I didn't wear an undershirt underneath this because I like a little bit of skin showing. I just made sure to wear like a nude bra so that it wasn't like odd colors showing everywhere. And the fabric is very soft. I love all these ruffles. It's just, this is a dream blouse right here. We have a dress. It's called Spell and the Gypsy. I definitely could have sized down to a medium. I went for a large just because I wanted to play it safe, but there's lots of elastic in this, lots of room, very forgiving. The fabric feels really nice. I loved the colors. It just gave me fall vibes. It really did. This dress is so incredibly comfortable, and like I was saying, I could definitely have sized down to a medium, but I don't mind this fit. Like, it's not unflattering or anything. This would be a great transitional dress from summer to fall because the colors definitely say fall, but it's very lightweight. And then this is just what the back looks like. It's very flattering, even though it is a bit oversized. It's just nice for like wearing around the house. This is a deeper colored dress. It's from Free People, and I really liked the square neck. It does have smocked material in the back, and there is a red floral pattern on here. It's probably a little bit hard to see in the camera, but it's definitely there. Really glad that I went for the large because the size is really comfortable. If I had gone for medium, I think it would have fit just a little bit better, especially on the top, because these shoulders do like to kind of fall down a little bit, but it's not as difficult as I thought it was going to be. So I'm actually quite happy with this size. Since the back has that smocked material, it just made it really easy to get in and out of this dress. Very fall. Just the deep colors with the red in there, it just is such a pretty fall dress. I am getting a little adventurous. This is a skirt. It's like a high-low. Wow, it feels really nice. This is from Rococo Sand. It's a large, and I thought that this would be fun to wear with high-knee boots. The buttons are sewn shut, so you don't have to worry about them popping open on you or anything, and there is a zipper in the back, along with elastic, so it should be pretty easy to get in and out of. I'm actually really glad that I kept to the size large, because if I had gone with a medium, I think it just would have been a little bit uncomfortable. But I feel like this length is actually perfect. And I do really like that these buttons are sewn shut. And just paired with a black turtleneck like this, I think it's such a fun, eye-catching outfit. One thing is that this material is very slippery, so it might move around a little bit, but I don't mind adjusting it. It's not riding up, it just kind of likes to go sideways on me. But other than that, I really like it. This is a dress I was so curious about and actually saw on Urban Outfitters. It kind of reminds me of the same fabric of a tent that my family used to have, but I like it. I mean, you have a lot of room in this. I'm gonna have to figure out how to get rid of all those wrinkles. And it looks like you do have some pockets in the front. The only thing I'm worried about is that you can't adjust the straps. But I'm gonna go try this on, see how it fits, and I will be right back. actually a lot easier to work with than I thought. Because there's a strap in the back that you can adjust to however you need it to fit you, it makes it really easy. The only issue that I have is that you can see my bra strap right here. So I'd have to figure out something with that. And this one is a little bit more of an affordable dress, so I was excited about that. There's some things I have in mind on how I want to style this, but I just thought it was a fun and different piece. This is a pair of jeans. I chose these because I am determined to step out of my comfort zone with jeans. These are from Driftwood. I got the size 31. Everybody was saying to stick to your regular size, but I have such a different figure. I never know. And I'm always afraid with these like higher end brands, they tend to make their sizes a little bit smaller. I do think that this is going to be the right size for me. These look like they're going to be my thing. I am so glad that I stuck with the size 31. These fit me perfectly. I love them. I do like that these jeans are longer because I can actually wear them with boots and they'll actually be perfect. So even I'm surprised at how long these are because I'm actually quite tall and all my length is in my legs. These are quite lengthy. I can't get over the florals. It is definitely my thing and they're so unique. Honestly, like I don't go for mid-rise, but these, yeah, I really like. Driftwood jeans, I am definitely looking into more. This last piece is a fall staple, a coat, and it is from Graylin. It's a size medium. I loved this dusty rose color. Wow, this feels really nice. I'm getting distracted when talking with the fabric of this, but it feels really nice. It's definitely too heavy to wear right now, but I wanted to try it out. It definitely fits the theme that I chose for my capsule and the color scheme. So as of right now, it's definitely a bit too hot to be wearing something like this, but I kind of just kept it a little bit casual just by throwing on a lacy tank top. I thought it made it a little bit more wearable, but I love the length of this. The whole fit of this coat is so comfortable. As soon as it starts getting a little bit more chilly, I'm going to love wearing this. The medium is a perfect fit too. Like it definitely lays on me very nicely. I love everything about this. So there you have it. That is everything that I chose to rent for my Nuuly. Lots of fall inspiration here. And I feel like all these are very different, but it's fun to be different. So if you are interested in trying out Nuuly, use my link, get that discount, try it out for yourself because there are some amazing fall staples on Nuuly right now and I cannot wait to get my hands on them. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed all this fall inspiration just using these staples that I rented from Nuuly, and I will see you all very soon in my fall capsule this coming Friday. Bye!